Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and by the title you see which video I'm doing a reaction to. So it's a classic Mr. Vegas. I mean, no fauno probably know this a song, and you hear this a song, yeah. So we are going to get into it. All our vibes, you see me? Oh, all of the cartel, it look like me have only for cartel fans. So big up on yourself, and thanks for the support on the cartel video, so high up on the moon. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. You know, big up on yourself. So without further ado, me say, like, I don't know if you like, comment, share, and subscribe already. Me not tell you that, I don't do anything. So let's get into the video, guys, and let's do this. Yeah, play a tune. Pause. What is say? Vintage vibe, girls time, Mr. Vegas, Greensleeves. Yo, this a scene start out like a Vanda movie. Let me see what I go on here play. Pause. Hey yo, Vegas go hard pan a video. This start out like a Terminator. This start out like a Terminator. One of them. What am I name? Sylvester Stallone and Schwarzenegger movie. Look all of the cassette vibe look. Alright. Play.
Girls and more girls. At the sweetest time. At the sweetest time. At the sweetest. At the sweetest.
But Vegas, I have the time of film life, yeah, so. You want a whole heap of girl. Oh, girls time, hence the title. Now I get it. Your head toughy, Anisha, Jesus. Play a tune.
Girls time, have the sweetest time. When the sun gone in, and the moon start shine. And the cassette in, and the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time, have the sweetest time. When the sun gone in.
Pause. So Vegas a buy 2 buckler wine for 1 million girl. Yo, play.
And the moon start shine. And the cassette in and the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time. Anyway the girl them me there. From you say girl move long time me ready. Band down foxy now me have a brand. Telephone a ring girl.
But yo, me have to talk about the rhythm of that song. I don't know if I rhythm or tune you call it rhythm. I say rhythm. Me have to talk about the rhythm upon what that song and the pan. The song just you hear the keyboard or the piano with the me love that. Play.
Two girl buck up and start a big war. One of them fling a big stone in a me car. But me know me and a bag of man na par. If a boy a funny boy him a fi stay apart. Cause at the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine.
Pause. Yo, the amount of time me pause from this video start. Yo, as a Vegas a roll, girl in a shower. Yeah.
Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time, at the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine. And the cassette in at the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Yo, enough girl me up before me a star. Me and the girl them all a eat caviar.
Yeah, the man say enough girl him have before him a star. So the man know of angling things, is it?
Sit down pan it and one up on me cellular. And me used to rule the boss girl in a T-bar.
Pause, what I say? One sit down pan it and one up on him cellular. Sit down pan what? Clear.
When me all angry, you think say me a go dock me ship on the bay. Them a fi go call me what? Stamina that day. What's a when me drop it the raw remedy? Cause at the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine. And the cassette in at the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time, at the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine. And the cassette in at the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine.
Gonna notice every song me butterfly too. Me can't broke out pan the people. Me can't broke out pan the nice channel. You see it? That is for a different thing and a different time and a different day. You see me? Play it tune.
Girls time. Anyway, the girl them me there. From you say girl move long time me ready. Man down foxy know me have a brandy. Telephone a ring girl want me candy. Two girl buck up and start a big war. One of them fling a big stone in a me.
Pause. Telephone ring girl want your candy. Me have a name for that still, but me not telling you what me call it. private things.
Yeah. But me know me no bag a man no bar. From a boy up on a buggy my face stay for girls. Have the sweetest time when the sun gone in.
Pause. You know, said that sitting here give me one Hugh Hefner vibe. The video give me a Hugh Hefner vibe. Vegas a Hugh Hefner and he have the house bunny. What they name? What? Playboy bunnies. Jeez, Anisha, you're so out of the loop, Lord. Yeah, that's the vibe I'm getting right now from this video.
The moon start shine and the cassette at the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time at the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and the cassette at the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time at the sweetest time when the sun gone in and the moon start shine and the cassette at the tape they can rewind. Juice a blend up with red sparkling wine. Girls time.
Bomba, what you mean? What you mean, Vegas girls time? Yo. Hey, me not tell no lie, that song ya nice. It's nice. I like it a lot. So there you have it, guys. Girls Time by Mr. Vegas or Vegas, whichever one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in and for joining. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of them something there. Let us build the thing, you see me? So me soon again on another video. See it once again. It's Anisha and I am out.